You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is h equals 280. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the h. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 3 over 193,600. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. And so the final result is h equals 280.